Hello everyone, my name is Guy. I'm the co-founder of Index Lab. We help your brand get recommended by ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, and other AI models. In this 2-minute video, I'm going to take you through a quick AI visibility journey to give you a framework on how you can think about it and how you can move to implement it for your business. So let's get right in. So to do this, we're going to use a 5-pillar framework in order to keep things organized. The first pillar, which is actually pillar 0, is what customer questions do I want to be visible for? You need to absolutely start with this. You just don't get visibility in ChatGPT in general. You need to actually choose 5 to 10 questions that your potential customers are asking ChatGPT, and what you want to do is to be on the answers to those questions. Pillar number 1, can AI models get past the door and find what matters? This is the more techie pillar. This is about ensuring that the AI bots of OpenAI or of Google can actually access your website and find the necessary and relevant information. Pillar number 2, am I the most complete information source about what I sell? This is really important. On your website, you need to build an encyclopedia about your brand and the space that you operate in. So every time a potential customer of yours is on ChatGPT asking a question about either of these, you are seen by AI as the most complete source. So AI will get information from your website to answer to that potential customer, therefore increasing the chances that that customer will see your brand. Pillar number 3, am I backed up by legitimate and reputable sources? So this is really important. Anyone can create a website and fill it with content, but you need to be trusted by AI. And the way you're going to do it is the sources that AI already trusts and mentioned the most. You need to have your brand being mentioned on those sources. And last pillar, pillar number 4, which I like to call pillar forever. You need to keep monitoring your visibility. You need to keep monitoring your competitors and what they're doing. You need to keep your content fresh, and you need to keep seeking these reputable sources that AI uses. And this is an ongoing job. I hope this was helpful. Look, AI SEO is ever changing. So if you have any more questions, feel free to email me at hello@indexlab.ai or connect with me on LinkedIn. See you soon.